Hello everyone, namaste. My name is Vanda Bhandari and welcome to yet another episode of Nepali Tour Travel Series. अनि यो पालि चाहिँ हाम्रो ट्राभल गरेर छ अन्नपूर्ण